Find the value of the constant h. Ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung constant na h. In the quadratic equation, which is 3x squared minus hx plus x minus 7h, sabi, is equals to 0. And if 3 is one of the roots. So, kung yung 3 daw ay one of the roots. So, this is the solutions. 3x, sabi, constant, or 3 is one of the roots, which means si x, gagawin natin 3 squared minus h, nasa x ulit, 3 plus si x ay 3 minus 7h. Hinahanap natin dito value ng h. Kasi sabi, find the value of the constant h. 3 times 3 squared is equals to 27. H times 3 is equals to, don't forget the sign, negative 3h plus capital 3 is equals to 7h. So, alin dito yung same? Pagsamahin natin yung may mga same na ito ang magkaparehas since wala naman silang h, si 27 at saka si 3, tapos si negative 3h at si negative 7h. How to rewrite that? Since si 27 plus si 27 plus 3 is equals to 30. Si 3h at saka si negative 3h at saka si negative 7h. Negative times negative is equals to negative. So, sabi, negative times negative. Nagawin natin ay mas mataas si 7. So, it's negative 7. Negative, then the answer will be negative 3h at negative 7h is equals to 10. Is equals to 10h. Tapos na ba o hindi pa? So, ibig sabihin is hindi pa. Dahil wala pa tayo, hindi pa natin nakukuha si h. To find that h, we need to transfer this h sa kabila para maging h. Okay? H is equals to, ano yung tira? Si 30 over 10. Therefore, h is equals to 30 divided 10 is equals to 3. Therefore, our final answer is h3. Nahanap na natin si value ng h. At yun ay si 3.